कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दे रहे होते हैं आपके बालों पे, आपकी शक्ल पे। एंड द फैक्ट दैट यू स्टार्टेड एट द एज ऑफ 29, आप उस टाइम पे सिर्फ 29 साल की थी व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड Kriana, when you started 22 Kadam, right? Were you, and also the fact you are mashallah incredibly tall. You are 6 feet tall. I think after
Please say it.
ये भी हम लोगों ने लोगों की
हाँ,
क्यूरियोसिटी को आज एंड कर दिया कि जी ये
yeah,
6 फुट इनकी
let
हाइट।
just
जी
be more vocal about it. Say it loudly because I cannot answer another question
I
about my
know
height.
that
I'm
these
I'm
questions have
tired.
been, yeah. So she's 6 feet,
Oof.
6 feet tall, and she started her career at the age of 29.
I'm 32 now. Happy?
So, Leans, as I said, कि as I was asking it, कि 29 साल की उम्र में आपने स्टार्ट किया फर्स्ट ये फैक्टर, और दूसरा ये था कि आपकी हाइट बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी है एज पर द पाकिस्तानी एंड माइंड यू इज नॉट जस्ट पाकिस्तान, इवन व्हेन आई वाज अब्रॉड एंड माइंड you everyone who's watching me, I'm just 1 inch
Do
shorter than my
mind.
sister. मेरी हाइट मेरी बहन से सिर्फ 1 इंच छोटी है, ठीक है? तो एज पर
हाँ.
पाकिस्तानी स्टैंडर्ड्स, इवन आप बाहर भी जाते हो, वी आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी a lot taller than usual.
Abnormally tall.
Abnormally tall is the right word. I personally used to feel ki like Sana Moody is like the tallest, and she's been my girl crush ever since I was a kid. Like she's absolutely beautiful.
She's divine.
She is.
Definitely.
But I think you are even taller than her. If she's not 6 feet, I think she's
I
not
haven't
6.
met her.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
so
But she's
how
really tall.
she is, right?
Yeah.
But were you ever a victim of getting age shamed and height shamed?
किताबें
किताबें लिखने के?
Just scrolling the
Okay,
pages.
now we're
No.
curious. Yeah.
Obviously यार, I mean इतने ज्यादा आपको I've heard कि जी 20s में तो आती हैं actresses और by the time they're in their 30s they're established और वो अपनी मर्जी से काम करती हैं यार भाई। height तो is something that you and I, not even you, मैंने तो बचपन से I've been height shamed. I remember this teacher very distinctly like telling me कि I was obviously हम like a जो भी बच्चा class 2 में होता है वो थोड़ा mischievous तो होता है यार, so I mean you can't hold against a child.
Yeah.
Come on, look at your age and look at their age.
I
But
think teachers are always in this very abnormal competition with youngsters.
not competition, it's just easy for them to project their insecurities or their anger onto people that have no control over anything, and they're like little humans. तो उनके
Aw,
ऊपर
little humans, that's
little
so
humans
cute.
बेचारे
True.
और आप उनकी spirit तोड़ रहे होते हो
True.
और ये it doesn't stop there.
But you were a little tall woman.
I was a little tall human. I was a little tall human.
छोटी आंटी थी
छोटी
आप.
आंटी थी मैं. No, but I feel कि तो मुझे याद है कि she you know like shouts and उसके बाद everybody is like you know quiet and then she like you stand up. लगती तुम class 5 की हो तुम class 2 में. अब it's not my fault if I'm tall यार.
Can I go all Samina Pirzada on you?
हाँ.
दिल दुखा था.
यार आप I think आपका सबसे ज्यादा दिल तब दुखता है जब आप स्कूल में होते हो.
खून वाले आंसू आए थे.
खुश्क हो गए थे. सफेद हो गए थे.
सफेद हो गए थे. तो ये जो एज शेम और हाइट शेम आपको मीडिया में कब
Age shame I
face
never
करें?
cared. Age shame I never cared because I'm like यार you don't know what God knows.
True.
तुम्हारे कहने से मैं काम करना छोड़ दूं. If the audience wants to see me, I'm going to you know मतलब मैं तो आती रहूंगी. इंशाल्लाह. Like और ये मेरे इख्तियार में नहीं है ना, ये आपके इख्तियार में है. अगर तो मैंने एज का सोचा हो तो फिर वीरा वैंग ने कभी भी 40s में अपना पहला अपने ड्रेसेस डिजाइन ना किए होते, अपने फैशन लाइन ना खोली होती. There is this actress that I admire so very deeply. Yamina Das, I think उनका नाम है. She started acting at the age of 54. She's such a brilliant actress. उन्होंने क्यों नहीं सोचा कि मैं 20s में आ जाऊं? So I mean this is all talk
and Alina
nonsense.
नूरजहान में भी जब आपकी पिक्चर्स आउट हुई तो हम देखते हैं कि जब आपके मेल काउंटरपार्ट्स फीमेल काउंटरपार्ट्स खड़ी हैं, and you said to me very something, you told me something really funny कि आपको कहा था आप एक स्टेप नीचे खड़ी हो क्योंकि आप अपने हस्बैंड जुनैद से बहुत लंबी
नहीं मुझे ये बात नहीं I tell you something. I was also told कि तुम्हें you're so tall, तुम्हारे लिए एक्टर मतलब मेल एक्टर कैसे तुम्हें ना मतलब तुम्हारा हीरो कैसे तुम्हारे साथ खड़ा होगा. मैंने कहा जैसे मैं खड़ी हो रही हूँ उसके साथ.
Great answer,
or if anything they have to get on my level, I don't have to get down to theirs. You carry your height, I'll carry mine. अब ये insecurity आप में है तो उसका मैं क्या करूँ?
Did you ever feel
मैं छोटी नहीं हो सकती. पैर काट लूँ अपने.
Did you ever face a certain level of hostility because a lot of people don't even take you as a Pakistani. They say कि you have European features. beauty lies in the blood, doesn't it? ठीक है? They're like, and of course you have an aura because you stand out, you're broad, you're tall. Did you ever feel...
I'm intimidating.
So your aura is what actually intimidates the other person. How did you cope up with all of that?
I enjoy it.
Oh.
Why should you not be intimidating? Why are women taught to be docile?
Yeah.
Why should you be approachable? Nobody's asking you to be mean. Nobody's asking you to be unkind. But you should not be approachable to everyone. अगर आप इतने साल इंडस्ट्री में रह के एक न्यू कमर से इनसिक्योर हो रहे हैं तो फिर दैट द ओनस इज ऑन यू. I am sitting exactly where I should be.
Right in front of me. In my podcast, everything is possible.
With Fatima Abbas.
If you believe.
If you believe.
So, Lino,
if you believe.
I know this for a fact. After you crossed your 20s, you were experiencing a bit of weight issues, body image issues. And
yes.
of course, it was escalated jab aap media mein aayi.
No, it escalated after Noor Jahan, by the way.
So that was where I was heading actually. Ki Kiryana mein you were all right.
Yeah.
Even though when I surprised you, when I came directly to your hotel where you were staying, you were munching on French fries, and I was like, Alina, are you not supposed to go on the shoot? You're having so many of carbs, and you never cared. Like, weight was always the least of your worries and least of your priority. Like, you would eat whenever. You never went to the gym. Never even, मतलब जो बंदी 2.0 के उस पे running कर रही हो, that was your stamina.
But Fatima, you need to also understand, I was a thin girl my entire life.
You were always very skinny, so you never experienced what it's like to gain weight, and you shot up to 85 kgs in Noor Jahan.
Thank you for letting the world know.
Well, it's Wikipedia is gonna put it out there, so why
not?
No,
I didn't shoot up to 85 in Noor Jahan. According to me, I lost a bit of a weight. I was 85 before Noor Jahan. During Noor Jahan, I was 82.
So, Alina, even though the fact you have got a lot of international love, there is, mashallah, an avalanche of compliments coming your way, because this role of Safina has touched the lives of so many voiceless women who feel so empowered when they look at you. But jitna mohabbat aapko mila hai, uske saath, of course, negative comments are always a part of it. You've spoken about being age shamed. You have spoken about being height shamed. Unfortunately, there was some people who commented on your body and the fact that you looked a lot older. They made really stupid remarks about itni actress. Even the critics said कि उम्र से बहुत बड़ी लगती हैं, अपने मेल काउंटरपार्ट से बहुत बड़ी
सबा हमीद की एज की लगती हैं.
सबा हमीद की एज की लगती हैं. कुछ जगहों पे ये था, जब मैं आपके साथ आपका ड्रामा देख रही थी, you also felt very insecure about your body.
I did.
So how did you navigate your way out of this?
I thought of you.
Aww.
देखो, you've experienced all those things that I'm experiencing now. You've been through so much as well. मेरे लिए
I was 98 kgs.
No, but it was, you were depressed for a very long time because of that. It wasn't healthy. So I've seen you struggle. I've seen you go through that, and I've experienced those things. When I started experiencing it firsthand with myself, usse pehle I couldn't really relate to it. I could only sympathize with you. Now I can relate to it. Now I understand and feel deeply about these issues कि यार वाकई में ये होता है, and it happens, and आपके दिमाग में ये हो जाता है कि like you start feeling really insecure. और जब आपके दिमाग में ये बनना शुरू हो जाए तो वाकई में you can never really get out of it. You can't come out of this thing. आपको हमेशा ये लग रहा होता है कि there is something just wrong with me. And I understand your issues now because now I'm experiencing it first hand. मैं चाहे जितना weight lose कर भी लूँ, मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा रहेगा कि यार I was 85 at that point. Yeah, maybe the clothes don't fit, and maybe what if I go back to being a size, size 12 or size 14, I would still look big. वो दिमाग में रह जाती हैं. You've told me this कि अब तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये चीज फंस गई है. तो ये
And I've starved.
I can't stop.
You have.
I'm sorry. I'm not going to abuse myself and my body for anything or anyone.
That is what I've always loved about you.
Why should you, yaar? Like, that's the only thing you have control over.
True.
उसी को ही आप खराब कर रहे हो, उसी को ही abuse कर रहे हो. Why? Because people don't like what they see.
But Linzu, it did take a mental toll on you,
It did, because I got really comfortable. I got too comfortable. I was a complainer, but I wasn't doing anything about it because I myself couldn't come to terms with the fact कि मुझे इसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. तो मेहनत, पहला स्टेप ही जो होता है ना, अपना दिमाग बना के उस चीज के लिए जाना, वो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. मैं तो भाग जाती थी जिम से, मैं कहा मुझसे नहीं होगा. to hell with it.
Yeah.
लेकिन उसके बाद I think these comments actually helped me make up my mind that I can't keep living like this because I don't like it myself.
But you were really depressed when you were reading all of it. I
I
remember
was.
you calling Amma.
No,
and
I
you were
was.
like,
I
yeah.
was. लेकिन उसकी upside ये थी कि I took charge of my life.
Yeah.
Because even I was not happy with the way I looked.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what people say unless or until आपको वो affect अच्छे तरीके से नहीं कर रहा. अगर वो आपको अच्छे तरीके से अफेक्ट नहीं कर रहा और आप उसका कोई पॉजिटिव आउटकम नहीं दे रहे ना तो फिर तो आई मीन इट्स डेविस्टेटिंग ना. तो ये तो सेल्फ एनाइलेशन पे आ जाती है. इस सारी नेगेटिविटी का अपसाइड ये था कि मैंने इसको एज अ चैलेंज लिया एंड आई वाज लाइक नो आई एम गोना गेट माय लाइफ बैक. आई विल गेट बैक टू व्हाट आई वाज बिकॉज़ आई माई सेल्फ डोंट लाइक व्हाट आई सी.
And I totally understand this body image issues, body dysmorphia. These are real problems, Alina.
Yeah.
So when you were when you were shooting and you were shooting with your female co-stars who are a lot more petite, a lot smaller in stature, and even the men are not as tall as you, did you in any way or at any instance feel like you were uncomfortable in your skin? You did not?
I do not care.
Kabhi bhi nahi कि you felt bigger or something, man. I need your
I would
confidence.
care? I was like, भाई, I'm more focused on my performance. मैंने इतने लंबे लंबे अभी monologues याद करने मैं अब देखती रहूँगा तुम कितनी पतली हो.
So why do you still feel, Alina, that women bodies are still a matter of discussion even till
because
today?
we're easier to target.